Cutting your own bangs at home might seem daunting, but with a steady hand, sharp scissors, and a calm mind, it's entirely possible. 1. Korean face framing bangs. Start by washing and drying your hair. Hair behaves differently when wet, so it's crucial to cut it in its natural state. Part your hair as you usually do, or wherever you want your bangs to start. Using a comb, section off the hair you want to cut, ensuring it forms a V shape on your forehead. Initially, cut your bangs at an angle so they are longer on the sides. This is where the face framing part comes into play. The longer sides will elegantly contour your face, providing a soft, flattering silhouette. As you cut, keep checking your reflection. Make sure the bangs are symmetrical and are becoming the length and shape you want. It's all about the perfect layering here. Short in the middle, longer on the sides to give that curtain effect. Beautifully done. 2. Round bangs. Moving on to our second style, round bangs. These bangs are like a classic vinyl record. They never go out of style and add a touch of nostalgic charm to any look. This is for those of you who want to make a statement, a bold choice that speaks volumes about your unique sense of style. It's all about creating that perfect arc, and voila, the end result, perfectly rounded bangs below the brows that frame her face exquisitely. Three. Whispy bangs. Starting with dry and well-combed hair, she's sectioning off the bangs and making those vertical cuts. The key is to keep your hand light, and remember, it's not about removing length, but about creating texture. Watch her work with her scissors, creating that feathery, dreamy look. And just look at the end result. I must say, the airy, soft bangs are totally making her eyes pop. 4. Long curtain bangs. Now, for those who want to go long, we're onto long curtain bangs. They fall like long sweeping drapes, framing your face perfectly. This style is versatile, elegant, and suited to just about any face shape. It's a melody that plays well in any key, providing a graceful and refined statement. And there you have it, long curtain bangs that perfectly frame her face while adding a dash of mystery to her look. It's a great option for those with round faces who want to elongate the face. Five. Baby bangs. Our bold DIYer here is not afraid to go short. She's cutting her bangs just above her eyebrows. Remember, it's always better to cut longer and adjust gradually. And let me tell you, she's making the baby bangs look effortless, adding an instant cool girl vibe to her look. Six. Whispy bangs. With wispy bangs, it's all about creating that soft texture without removing too much hair. They're delicate, soft, and create a dreamy aesthetic that adds a touch of intrigue to your style. And there it is, another gorgeous take on wispy bangs. 7. Curly bangs. We're rounding off with curly bangs. Our curly queen here is ready to transform her curls into bangs. With her hair damp, she's taking her time, trimming bit by bit, keeping in mind the golden rule of curly hair: always account for the bounce up. The end result is playful, fun, and proves that curly hair and bangs are a match made in heaven. And there you have it, ladies. 7 unique styles to inspire your next DIY haircut. Remember, in the world of fashion and beauty, you are the queen of your castle. As we say at Fashionistas, be your own kind of beautiful. Until next time, stay stylish.